Is it time to buy or sell Roche Holding AG stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Roche Holding AG. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 15th of August, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 14th of August, 2025, our system has identified Roche Holding AG as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.94. Let's examine the stock's performance during this period. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, with a gain of 2.38%. This equates to an average return of 1.19% per day, since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a declining trend in the short term, and further declines within this trend are anticipated. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 2.29% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -7.29% to +1.87%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month forecast suggests a projected change of 3.90%. Based on our assessments, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -7.24% and +17.99% over the upcoming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $36.71 and $46.70. Our latest daily update for Roche Holding AG includes the headline, "Green Day on Friday for Roche Holding AG stock after gaining 2.38%. The Roche Holding AG stock price gained 2.38% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 15th of August, 2025, rising from $38.66 to $39.58. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to gain or takes a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.17%, with a low of $39.36 and a high of $39.82. The price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 1.8% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign, with 256,000 more shares traded than the day before. In total, 335,000 shares were bought and sold for approximately $13.27 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $44.31, and the lowest price was $34.10. Currently, the price is 10.67%, or $4.73, below the 52-week high, and 26.51%, or $14.28, below the all-time high on the 11th of April, 2022, when the price reached $53.86. Roche has a blend of catalyst-driven potential and policy-related challenges this month. Clinically, 5-year data for Susvimo demonstrates sustained vision maintenance with only 2 refills annually, marking a significant commercial achievement that supports reliable, recurring revenue in ophthalmology. This development could enhance near-term sentiment and adoption. Roche is also advancing its Alzheimer's portfolio into prevention testing and is collaborating on a groundbreaking human study for hepatocellular carcinoma, advancements that could yield substantial long-term benefits if the trials are successful. However, these developments may contribute to stock volatility as results and regulatory actions unfold. On the risk side, renewed political pressure in the United States to reduce drug prices, along with possible trade tariffs between the European Union and the United States on branded medicines, may exert short-term pressure on pricing and profit margins, potentially limiting valuation multiples. Recent discussions with investors have emphasized a focus on the pipeline, which may help stabilize fluctuations. In summary, while clinical successes can incite rallies in the short term, policy developments may lead to pullbacks. In the long run, Durable products and innovative programs can drive significant upside if clinical and pricing risks are effectively managed. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 8th of August 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned RHHBY an underweight grade along with a downgrade action. On Monday, the 28th of April 2025, it was reported that HSBC assigned RHHBY a hold grade accompanied by a downgrade action. On Thursday, the 24th of October 2024, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned RHHBY a sell grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 13th of September 2024, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned RHHBY a sell grade along with a downgrade action. On Friday, the 26th of July 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned RHHBY an equal weight grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Roche Holding AG stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Roche Holding AG. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 11th of August, 2025, and so far, the stock has risen by 5.22%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, the volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been identified, which may influence near-term developments. The stock currently holds a buy signal according to the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates an overall negative forecast for the stock. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $39.90. If it declines, there will be support from the short-term average at $38.48. A breakout through the long-term average will trigger an additional buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will generate another sell signal, thereby reinforcing the overall negative outlook. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal, 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal, 12 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal, 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal, 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal, 12 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Roche Holding AG. Roche Holding AG finds support from accumulated volume at $39.23. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is regarded as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 460 cents between its high and low, which is equivalent to 1.17%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.14%. Before we delve into the potential trading levels for Roche Holding AG, let's briefly discuss some key fundamental data. First, let's look at the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is considered relatively typical, often observed in companies with established histories or stable revenue streams. Additionally, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 28th of January, 2026. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Roche Holding AG. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Roche Holding AG is at $40.30. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Roche Holding AG faces its first support level at $39.23. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss established. Is Roche Holding AG stock a good buy? Roche Holding AG presents several negative signals, and we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 18th of August, we expect Roche Holding AG to open higher by approximately $0.0067, beginning at $39.59. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.